It's March 24th, 2013, and I'm running alongside the border of Germany and Switzerland. I'm on a cycle path, it's a dirt road at this stage, and just in here to the right you can see a little stream. Well, right down the middle of that stream, which is only about 10 metres wide, so about 5 metres from me, is the border. Just across the other side there is Switzerland, and this is Germany, and right down the middle of that stream is the border between the two countries. And over here to the left is the Black Forest, the Schwarzwald, sort of on the southeastern fringe of it at the moment, but it sort of looks similar wherever you are within the Black Forest. I hadn't quite realised the oddness of the Swiss border, at least with Germany and possibly elsewhere, the way it sort of juts in and out, and it's all over the place down at a fine level. You don't really notice it on a map of the world, but if you can go onto Google Earth and zoom right in, you'll see some very odd shaped little fingers of land that belong to Switzerland. Main road's just over there. I'm so pleased not to have to run on it. Almost all day today, and I've done about 35k so far. It's been, or most of it at least, has been on some sort of cycle path. Okay, that's enough for now. Bye.